So as you can see, I've got the negative terminal disconnected, running it through this amp meter, and I've got it on the 10 amp scale, making the connection to the negative battery terminal. And so what I'm going to do, I've got this wire connected to positive here through a 10 amp fuse, and I've got another lead here that I'm going to connect to the negative, and then I'm going to find a way somewhere to install this battery tender and just keep the car plugged in and keep it alive until I can figure out how to resolve this issue. So I've reconnected the battery, and I've got the battery tender plugged in, and it's indicating it's charging. And I've got my amp meter in series with it temporarily just to measure the current. I just want to make sure my plan might work. And so I'm reading 1.42 amps of charge going into the battery. And since I have the parasitic draw of 0.8, that means I have a net gain of a little over half a volt, like 0.62 amps. And so the battery will actually maintain its charge now as long as I have this battery tender plugged in and on its lifeline. So this is how I'm going to proceed with the car until I can figure out what that parasitic loss is and correct that. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, and if you happen to have any idea about what could be causing this, I'd appreciate knowing about it, hearing from you. I've tried disconnecting every single fuse, and I've disconnected all the bulbs interior and in the trunk, and nothing seems to make a difference. I still get the only thing I found was that when I plug the radio in, I get even more draw. And so I'm wondering where the rest of it's going. But I've removed the fuse in the radio just to eliminate that much draw.